So for this one, I'm looking at the problem I need to do, and I'm looking at the foundation and thinking, what would I do with the foundation to manipulate it to get this function? Well, I'd have to do this. I'd have to change this plus sign to what? Maybe I'm going the other way. I'm going to manipulate this to model this. And I need, instead of a plus sign, I need what? I need a minus sign. I don't know what grade you learned this in, but for me it was 8th grade. 1 minus negative x squared. That's what I'm talking about. Adding positives and negatives, no, subtracting negatives. That's all we did right there. So now I have 1 minus negative x squared. And then I can say, actually the foundation, maybe I should have said it this way. You know, it's written with x, but here's what I kind of want to do. I'm going to write it again at the bottom. Foundation. How about if I use a u? 1 over 1 minus u equals 1 plus u squared plus u cubed plus dot dot dot. And really, now as I'm looking at my problem, my example number 1, negative x squared equals what? Equals u. So you're used to u substitution. So kind of like to maybe take that, what I've called the foundation, and write it with a u. So this would be 1 plus u is negative x squared plus u here is negative x squared. So that's negative x squared squared. This u is negative x squared, and that's to the 3rd power. And then u to the 4th, negative x squared, that's to the 4th power. There's my power series. I could clean it up a little bit. 1 minus x squared, is the next term positive or negative? Positive. And it's x to the what power? 4th power. The next one's negative, and that's minus x to the 6th. The next one is positive, plus x to the 8th. I didn't write the next term on the previous line, but what is it? Minus x to the 10th. Plus x to the 12th, minus dot, it goes forever. And I can write that in summation notation. I'll put a line there to separate. Now, I'm seeing this is alternating. The first term is positive. And if I want to start it at 0, the sum as then goes from 0 to infinity, negative 1 to the end. That takes care of the alternating part. And what about x to what power? X to the 2n power. Okay, so we've done the first problem. I'm going to box both of these answers.